Okay, this is our pool update. It is Friday, September 30th. We've been out here a couple weeks, and they got a lot of the plumbing done. As you can see, there's a lot of pipes in there. They got two coming out for the pool, two at the bottom, and a lot of jets. Underneath the grotto. A couple of jets in your back there, and there, and there. Supposed to be some feet ones, but I don't see those. Oh, there they are. They're going to be coming out of there. So it looks pretty cool. They've been pretty much just working on the spa, and they got some pipes going around the back, stepping out over there. And that's it for today.